Tree traversal. The process of visiting the node is known as tree traversal. There are three types of traversals used to visit a node: in-order traversal, pre-order traversal, and post-order traversal. Let us first see in-order traversal. In the in-order traversal, nodes are recursively visited in the following order: left subtree, root node, right subtree. Purpose: for binary search trees, in-order traversal retrieves the nodes in ascending order. This is useful for obtaining a sorted list of values. This is the implementation in C language. Let us see this with example tree. In the in-order traversal, first it visits the left subtree. So it will first visit node 1 and then root node of this tree, that is 2, and then right one, that is node 3. So the next it will visit node 4, 5, 6 and 7. The output of the in-order traversal would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The next one is the pre-order traversal. In pre-order traversal, nodes are recursively visited in the following order: root node, left subtree, right subtree. Purpose: pre-order traversal is useful for creating a copy of the tree or for prefix notation in the expression trees. This is the implementation of the pre-order traversal in the C language. Now let us understand this with example tree. As we know that in pre-order traversal, first it will visit the root node, left subtree and right subtree. So first it will visit the 4, that is root node, the left subtree, that is 2, 1, 3, and then it will go to the right subtree, that is 6, 5 and 7. The next one is post-order traversal. In post-order traversal, nodes are recursively visited in the following order: left subtree, right subtree, then root node. Purpose: post-order traversal is useful for deleting or freeing nodes in the tree. As it processes all children before their parent, it is also used for postfix notation in expression trees. This is the implementation of the post-order traversal in C language. Let us understand this with example tree. As we already know that in post-order traversal, first it will visit the left subtree, right subtree, then root node. So here the left subtree starts with 1, 3, 2, 5, 7, 6, then root node, that is 4. In summary, we can say that in-order traversal visits nodes in the left subtree, root node, right subtree, and it is useful for binary search trees to get values in the sorted order. And in the pre-order traversal, it visits the node in the root, left subtree, then right subtree, useful for creating the tree copies and prefix notations. In post-order traversal, it visits nodes in the left subtree, right subtree, and then root, useful for tree deletions and postfix notations. Each traversal method has its own use cases and is chosen based on the specific needs of the algorithm or operation being performed on the tree.